Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'll show you how to make a Turkish red sauce. Now this is not just ordinary red sauce. If you've ever been down that street food or into a Turkish restaurant where they serve you that fragrant, really aromatic, not too chilly, but there's a hint of chili in it. This tomato sauce is that tomato sauce, that really nice tomatoey chili flavor condiment that you can then eat with your kebab, adana kebab, with your doner kebab, your shawarma, any kebab really. So that's what I'm going to make today. Follow my recipe and share with your family and friends and tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up if it turns out right for you. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the hob, follow me, and I'll show you how it's done. Right everybody, let's start cooking. My pan is on a low heat and I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of not olive oil, just regular sunflower vegetable oil. That should be good enough. And what I want to do is just basically pop in the garlic and really start slowly cooking it off, allowing the aroma and the fragrance to be released. Again, we don't want to burn this, so it's on quite a low temperature. I'm going to give it a quick mix there. Now when you feel that the garlic is softened and you can smell the aroma of the garlic, then it's the time to pop in the coriander. I'm just going to reduce my heat again so I can smell that garlic now. I'm going to pop in my coriander, and again at the next stage, once you start smelling the aroma of the coriander, then we'll start popping in the rest of the ingredients. Again, be very careful. We don't want to overdo it. We don't want to overheat the garlic and the coriander. We don't want to burn this. So I'm going to pop in the water. There's a quarter of a cup of water. Just going to turn the temperature up. And really from here, after a couple of more ingredients, it's something that you just leave to simmer for about a good 45-50 minutes. And then what I will do, you'll be able to see at different stages how this evolves from something so basic like a tomato sauce to a really nice, pungent smelling and tasting kebab condiment. So in go the chili flakes. And after about a couple of minutes, we'll pop in some tomatoes. Now this is a regular can of tin tomatoes. We could use fresh, but I think from the perspective of everybody having fresh tomatoes, and especially enough to have 250 grams of clean, diced and skinned tomatoes. I think it's easier if we just go with a tin tomato. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a quick boil. I'm going to pop the lid on, and then I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 40 minutes, and I'll show you what the end product looks like. It's going to taste really nice. See you shortly. Bye for now.